Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which says, what does the term totipotency refer to? Option A, a single cell capable of developing into a whole plant. Option B, a bud generating into a plant part. Option C, a seed giving rise to a new plant. Option D, swelling up of cell. So let us understand the question. What does the question say? The question says, what does the term totipotency refer to? So what do you understand by the term totipotency? Okay, as if you split the term into two, so you have toti. What do you mean by toti? Toti is nothing but the total, okay, total or the complete potential, okay, it is total, okay, and potency is nothing but the potential or ability, okay, potential or ability. Now, what are we talking in terms of? Like totipotency is nothing but the ability to give rise to an entire individual, okay, an entire individual. That is what is totipotency, individual. So what individual are we talking about? We are talking about totipotency with respect to the development of the plant. So here, even a single cell, okay, okay, this cell might have the potential to give rise to an entire plant. Okay, so this single cell which has the potential to give rise to the entire plant, that means it will give rise to leaves, it will give rise to stem, okay, it will give rise to stem, it will give rise to flowers. The single cell I'm talking about, the single cell, of course, it has to multiply further and further and differentiate to form different parts of the plant. Then the same cell will differentiate into the parts, different parts of the plant, that is even the roots. Okay, so if any part of the plant, this single cell will be responsible, because the single cell, it will begin with single cell, it will multiply, and further it will differentiate to give rise to all the parts of the plant. That's why we are calling it as totipotency. So this cell is totipotent in nature. Okay, so let us see the option. Option A says a single cell capable of developing into a whole plant. Yes, that is absolutely right. That is what is totipotency. Now option B says a bud generating into a plant part. So here if we are talking about a bud which is made up of multiple cells and it is not giving rise to entire plant, instead it is just giving rise to a plant part. So we cannot call it as totipotency. Then a seed giving rise to a plant. So this is the normal nature where within the seed it consists of the embryo, and the embryo, this is the normal germination process. We will not consider this as a totipotency, because here we are considering about the quality or the capability of this cell giving rise to an entire plant. So here you have in seed, you have cotyledons, you have embryo, you have multiple cells, different types of cells, right? And that is the normal germination process. So that is, we will not consider that as a totipotency. Okay, then swelling up of the cell is not totipotency. Instead, you can say call them as turgid cell, okay, or turgidity, we say turgidity. Okay, so this is also wrong. So what is the correct option? The correct option is option A. Okay, so the word totipotency, what does it mean? That a single cell is capable of developing into a whole plant. So option A is the correct answer. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.